Mami, kain. Mama, kain. Mami, try pag isa
Yeah, sarap.
Hello guys, so for today's video, we're going to make tanghulo. Okay. So,
What's this, Sam?
grape,
This one?
kabel,
This one?
tugal,
This one?
bottle.
Wow! And this, what is this?
Stick.
Stick! Good job!
Nice.
So, that's what we need.
Okay.
Tusok nyo na muna yung fruits.
Okay.
Tapos ako na yung maggagawa ng sugar. We need 1 cup lang. So guys, lulutuin lang natin itong sugar. 1 cup na sugar, half cup water. Okay, so sabi ni Kuya, ang kailangan natin ay 1 cup sugar and half cup ng water. Okay.
So we're
So you guys in charge for the, tusok-tusok ng strawberry and grapes. O, say hi to them.
Hi. I have grape and bubble gum.
So, ang gagawin ko lang, so let's just put the sugar. And half cup lang dapat, di ba? And half cup of water. Yan. Tapos we will make halo-halo, right? So, let's just use na lang the spatula. High heat ba? Medium heat? Medium heat.
Brown sugar. Di ba dapat white sugar?
Wala tayong white sugar eh. Guys, be flexible, okay? Kung ano lang yung meron sa bahay. Wala namang kulay yung brown eh. Tingnan natin kung anong magiging kaibahan niya. Wala kasi kaming white sugar. So, we're using brown sugar. Hindi, was sugar naman to. Yan.
Meanwhile,
So, I just need to make halo-halo until kumulo. My bad. Ha? Oh, wait only, wait only. Kaya wag masyado, dat nga tigdadalawa lang eh. Wag masyadong marami. Ayan na guys, kumukulo na. Nararamdaman ko feel tong gagawin natin. Asan yung ano? Kulong-kulo na. Amoy, ano na to? Ang tawag dun. Amoy banana cue. Yung sugar. Okay, so what are we going to do next? We will just like dip the tanghulo here.
I think so.
Set, ready mo yung water.
I can drink this.
Wait. And then, we will like dip into the...
I see. I get up.
Okay, and then, very, very quick. Oops.
Okay, it stays.
Did it stay? Nope, it did not. That's how you guys make a fail tanghulo. No.
It's like
Ay,
water.
hindi. Ito, meron. No. Kasi hindi nga malamig yung water natin.
Move the grape.
Sarap naman. Oh, hindi kasi malamig. Okay. Okay, guys. Round 2 of how to make a fail tanghulo. Ganyan. So, after putting the sugar, let's dip it into the cold water. Yeah. Okay. So, what's the look?
It does not look right. The look does not look right. It does not.
Hindi, pero ano siya, hindi siya naging crunchy. Okay, hindi mo na lang ulit. Ano? Try nga natin ganito, guys. Ito, tumigas. Tumigas, set. Hindi ko na nga mapindot eh. Oh, wait.
Pwede isa-isa muna.
Oh, yan! Okay? Who's gonna eat this?
Ako naman.
Okay.
Okay, Kuya's turn.
Napaka-try eh. Crunchy nga.
Crunchy? Hindi.
Di ba mas matagal pa dapat?
Okay, guys. Another fail. So, ang objective natin, maging crunchy siya. Okay? Siya pa. Kasi nakita ko, parang dito niya lang kinukuha eh. Parang yung bubbles lang. Try natin kung effective yun yung parang
Or dapat
bubbles lang.
mas sunod pa yung ano.
Mas kulo pa yung sugar.
Yeah, may...
Ganyan.
Actually,
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
karga.
1, 2, 3.
Oy!
Buti mo muna yan.
Ha?
More. Ganitisan.
Okay, 1 round. Another round. Hanggang sa maging crunchy siya. This is how you guys make a fail tanghulu. Say. You say.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Go.
7, 8,
Yeah.
9, 10. Oh! Mas ano to pa? Mas crunchy pa. Hindi. Mas konti pa. Pwede nga. Second?
Tamis.
May part na may crunch.
Pwede yung part lang.
Konting part lang. Another, this one, the, grapes. Baka kailangan nga yung taas lang.
Baka nga.
Yung nagbabubbles. Okay guys, di kami titigil hanggat mayroon makaproduce kaming crunchy.
Okay, gan. guys.
Kanina di ba pagngat natin kasi parang ano pa siya.
So,
Sige.
10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Ano
10.
mo yun?
Go. Uy!
Uy!
Wait.
Ayan! Dali, taste.
Wala.
Wala.
Isa pa. You will try. Next si Sam-Sam,
Okay, guys.
Ayun!
May nangyayari guys.
Hindi nangyayari, guys. May nabubuong sticky something. Sam, your turn!
Hindi ko dahil may mas tulo pa nga.
You need to bite, Crunchy? What happened? I think we're getting there.
Okay.
Hindi, I think we're getting there kasi yan na malagkit na rin siya eh. I think. Are you ready?
Ako naman yan.
Oo nga, sa'yo to.
Baka...
Ayan. Coat mo talaga.
Di pa rin natin. Perfect.
Okay, are you ready?
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No! 11, 12.
G. Ito na. I
Parang
think-
trusting to. Trusting ata to
Up. You can see the glaze a little bit. Okay.
Baka I think more more cold pa.
Teka, para baka may crunch na. ASMR.
Daming crunch! Oh my gosh!
Kami?
Ako naman magkano. Ako naman guys.
Gumagad na.
Ha? Ay, ano ka ba na? Makainin mo na. Ay, oo. Oo nga.
Okay guys, so let's
Konti lang.
Oo.
Yung taas lang. I think yung taas lang.
Oh, meow.
Sam, okay ka na? O, tapan mo na dito.
Malapit ang iban ko.
Okay na yan. O, tapos babad mo na.
Dapat matagala pa.
Hmm.
Mga 21 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Okay na, okay na.
Okay na.
Hindi, wait ako, diba? Oh,
Sige na. Well, inangat mo na eh.
Okay, sige.
Sige.
Okay,
Oh.
yan.
Okay, yan o. Sobrang tigas naman. Teka, inahin natin. Sam. Kaya nga dapat siguro sa taas lang.
Mami!
Oo, your turn. Daddy, you want to try?
Ay, okay.
Tumigas ng sobra. Hindi niya na mabait. Sobrang tigas naman. Bigyan mo si Sam konti.
Ako na.
Okay.
Mami,
Okay. Sammy turn, ha? Side ko mo pa yung fruits natin. Shak. Sorry, nalaglag.
Tigas, grabe.
This for you. Okay, so guys, I think dapat kulong-kulo yung sugar, no? Kasi eto, tingnan mo, para na siyang candied. May balot na ng sugar. Oh,
Eh, magawa ng YouTuber para.
sige. Yun nga, dapat angat lang.
The lollipop?
Lagi siya, baby.
Ito lollipop sa amin. Hot. Lollipop ba, lollipop?
So, kasi nga yun, guys, lutong-luto na yung sugar namin. I think,
Grabe, luto-luto na nga.
sugared na siya.
Ang dami yun.
I think, eto, try natin yung kapag yung ano lang. I think, pag ganito
Uy,
lang.
ang dami na yan.
Hey, mama.
Wait,
Mommy.
let's try this
Oh
one.
my God, bro, that looks
Okay.
fried.
This looks like, ano na to? Ano na to?
Fried chicken.
Tawag dyan diabetes.
Mm.
Fried grapes. Fried grapes. Jollibee grapes. Baby, you got some. It's a movie game. Baby, you got something. Yeah, sarap.
Sam naman. Oh! Sam, go. No! It's not hot naman eh. Okay guys, so for today's video, it's a fail. Kahulo. Ay, tama na, patayin na natin yung ano. Ito. Ang
Ayun nga niya.
strawberry.
Diabetes.
Mommy, Mom, eat my hair. Mommy, eat.
Me.
Ganito naman kasi talaga siya, di ba? Or dapat kasi, I think mas manipis lang yung sugar natin.
Mas masyadong hindi masyadong ano.
Okay guys,
This one is medium filled.
Mommy, no, dapat.
Di naman, Bill. Okay naman.
Camila. I will get my.
Di naman,
Hindi
Bill.
natin pinagmilat.
It's okay.
it's okay.
Yeah,
We tried it, but I don't think dapat pa natin ulitin.
Yeah.
Hindi, pag white sugar, feeling ko,
Pag white sugar. O sige na, ayusin niya na to. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.
Sarap guys.
Bye!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It's my son, guys, bye-bye.